The hell? Nah, he love the scooters. That boy love the scooters. We are about to go to Old San Juan, so stay tuned, y'all. Look at my brother right there. Yo, watch out! I don't know if you can see him. He swear he from Puerto Rico. This dude is funny. But I'm almost to the back to the restaurant that my sister's was at. Got this big book bag on. What up? That Angel Reese. They probably see me because it's Angel Reese. Angel Reese jersey got me lit out in Puerto Rico. They was yelling my name and shit. Do they even know my name? San Juan about to be lit. I hope the music not playing too loud. Where is this boy going? He getting too comfortable in Puerto Rico, man. It's day 3. We got 2.5 days left. Ferrari, horsepower. That's mad regular in Puerto Rico. So we just waiting for the Uber, right? Yeah. Look at this boy. Yeah. Yo, Daryl. Daryl. All right. Sorry. We gotta walk back to the hotel. Yo. All right, I'm about to put the camera down, y'all. Girl, go. We don't know you. Bye.
You have insurance? Yeah, for this. Who you rent them for? What is the name of the company you rent them?
Yeah, we're gonna call them.
Huh? But you have to have insurance, whatever you rent it for. Give me the name of the company. Electric Ride.
Love.
Go.
Yo,
Go. I gotta take a name of that. I gotta call the police. You gotta make a report. I have to make a...
So happy that's over. You guys can see by the title, you already know what we got going on. We got about 10 more minutes to get ready. It's literally 6:45 in the morning. I think everybody was up by 5 getting ready. We're getting picked up by our tour guy. So this excursion right now, it's like a rainforest. It's a tour, well, natural water slides. We're gonna, rope swing into the water, jump off the rocks and stuff like that. I don't feel like I could bring my camera for this one because it's a lot of picking up, putting down. They said get some shoes, that you have grip with. I had water shoes when I came here, but they told us that water shoes aren't good for this excursion. So I had to go to Walmart real quick. Again, I Ubered this time. We didn't ride the bikes, but I had to get my shoes. This is my shoes right here. Shoes fire though, I ain't gonna lie. $14, them shits is fire. These shits better work too.
We lit. And this is we lit.
Hey.
We lit.
Now we waiting on our ride. He said he'll be down in 5 minutes. Does that mean in here?
Yo, we about to jump into the water from a fucking rope.
Ooh.
I'm gonna feel so accomplished after this trip.
Here go our tour guide.
No, he's in the black van.
I thought y'all was playing when y'all say keep saying that.
On the way, and then he was waiting our okay to say he was on the way.
Daryl, you want the front? I'll take the front. Alright, our tour guide is here, y'all. We're getting Oh, I got it. How you doing? Hello.
How are you?
So many people on this bus. We gotta go. Peace out.
You don't need the whole.
Did he move? The little guy?
Oh no. Yeah, he right on this side. Yeah,
All this traffic.
As you can see, we made it to our destination. Like I said before, it's gonna be a lot of walking, a lot of great scenery, a lot of water. I'm not even gonna lie, my feet hurt in these Walmart shoes, but we're gonna, you know, see how that go.
Walmart shoes hurt.
And I'll keep you guys updated as we move along.
Appreciate it. You don't have to strap down right now. We're gonna be walking for like 30 minutes.
As you can see, we made it back to grounds. It's raining like crazy. Oh shit, my camera getting wet. Where did Daily go? Oh.
So hopefully by two, guys.
Alright, bet.
I got white rice, shrimp, fish,
Damn.
beef stew.
You got all that?
Oh, you about to go? You about to eat good. I'm ready to eat good too, though. I ain't gonna hold you. What up? What up? What up? Showing love. Was it this? How this food looking? Wait, I don't see shit I like. I don't know if I want this shit. The rice look good, but alright, I'm gonna find something to eat and then I'll show you guys when we get it. Alright, peace. Alright y'all, as you can see, we getting back in the van, climbing back in the van. We all ate good. I know you had to see the meals. My meals was pretty good. My chicken and rice was fire. But we're all in the van now, and the instructor, well, our tour guide is about to go drop everybody back off. So he picked up about, I think it's like 16 of us in this big old van. I don't want to like put the camera back there because I don't want to just have people on camera. We finally made it back to the hotel safely. We ate safely, we ate good, so we full, and now we just sitting outside enjoying each other on the balcony. Come hang out with us.
You want to take like 3 shots and have a swimming competition?
You fucking go.
Girl, you want to have a swimming test and see who swims to the end of the pool and the end of the back?
When are we gonna play Jenga?
Never.
All right, everybody should go around saying something that we did since we've been here. And if you don't say nothing, you're done. You're out.
Whoever, all right, let's do this. We're gonna keep going around saying stuff we did here, and if you're the last person that hesitate, gotta take a shot.
Bet.
Like whoever can't think of nothing else, gotta take a shot.
All right, who going first?
I am. We walked to.
That's too slow.
Okay, I'm sorry. No, we never said. Okay, hold on.
She hesitated.
All right, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. La Placita.
Water slide, natural water slide. You out.
Daryl, you all take a shot. Daryl, take a shot.
Damn!
All right, I'm gonna start over. Hey, that was the practice round. That was the practice round. Now we're gonna say the same shit we just said. And okay, y'all ready? And keep it going.
It could be something we did or something we went to.
The same things we said. And keep it going. Start over for Didi.
Daryl, that's doing too much.
Daryl. All right, you ready? We went to La Placita.
Water slide.
Jet skis.
Walked in the mud.
Road scooters.
Road bikes.
Jet skis.
You gotta fucking dream.
Yeah, Jesse's. Jesse's.
All right. So, all right. Who next?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. We stayed at AC Hotel.
We walked to the beach.
We went to Burger King.
Fuck, Didi. I was gonna say that. You know you saw me look at Burger King. Fuck, I'm out.
We bought weed off the strip.
I gotta take a shot.
We went to a club.
We went to another club.
We went to another club.
We brought liquor.
We seen monkeys.
We seen snakes.
We seen birds.
We talked to the cops.
We took a picture in front of the cop car.
We took a picture in front of a waterfall.
We walked through the mud. We seen roosters.
We touched a dog.
She out. She said.
All right, munchie one.